to Dunedin, everyone. For your safety, you must remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is turned off. Also be careful when opening the overhead lockers, as items could fall out. It is now safe for transmitting functions on your electronic devices to be turned on. If we are using stairs to disembark, please